All right, all right. Today's SPY was up 0.54%. And bigger picture here, we're looking at a bull market and a bull trend, and we're looking for opportunities to buy near support at higher lows. And that's what I've been talking about on SPY is there's a good chance from this bounce off of 594 that was our higher low, and we're looking to push higher to a brand new all-time high territory at 616 and 624. And near the close, there was some news about tariffs, and let's be honest, everybody has known since the very first presidential debate this was coming. Nobody is shocked by this. The market couldn't care less. Everything is priced in when you're talking about the stock market here. So if you're panic selling or you're planning on trading or even shorting the market based on any tariff news, you are going to get absolutely ran over by the bullish freight train. If price tells us to get bearish is the only way we are getting bearish. If you are getting bearish based off of news headlines or you are selling or changing your trade plan based off news headlines, you are never going to be a profitable trader. And I said never because news trading is never going to make you profitable. You need a trade plan around the chart and price. Everything that is known to the market has already been priced in. It is only if something like a black swan event occurs that you actually need to start changing your trade plan immediately. If you think tariffs are a black swan event, then I am sorry, but I will happily take your money and move it into my trading account. You need to stay absolutely laser focused here and focus on the chart. So that's enough about that. Right now, we're looking for higher prices. We haven't even filled the gap to the upside at 606.8. That is very likely that even in a bearish scenario, we are going to fill that gap first, and then you could still get the lower high rejection. But again, that is the lowest probability chance in a bull trend. So if you are looking for the bearish outcome in the bearish probabilities, you are taking the least probable trade, which means the least likely chance you're going to make any money. And that's only confirmed if we break down below the low here at 594. So I'm staying bullish until SPY breaks down below 594. Because that's what the chart demands. Follow the chart, follow price, or get left in the dust, and always manage risk. Even if you are shorting this market, you need to cover if we break out to a brand new all-time high. And I think the best probability is still the bull trade, which is the higher prices in the all-time high zone. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.43% today, and very similar to SPY, I think we're going higher towards at least 546. In the short term, we are going to fill a gap right around 528. If we get rejection from that gap and we put in the lower high, that is the bearish outcome, and that requires the break of the low here at 510. So do not get bearish unless we break down below 510. If you want the low probability trade to be a bear, which means you're likely going to lose, but albeit it could be a small loss, then you're just shorting until we make a brand new all-time high, which is going to be that breakout above 538. But right now, the highest probability chance is we just put in the higher low and we're getting ready to push higher to a brand new all-time high, which is going to take us out into February. And the price targets up there is going to be right around 546. If we cannot hold support and we break down to a lower low, then and only then will I be looking for the bearish probabilities and the bearish outcomes in the stock market. Keep it that simple. I think you're going to do very well. And in TSC Trade Alerts, we continue to make brand new all-time highs, even though the market is not at all-time highs. So we are absolutely destroying this market. And if you want to come get the exact trade alerts for the percent allocations I am taking for the TQQQ or SQQQ, that is the TSC Trade Alerts, which you can find out how to join in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.